going to look how can we make a guessing game. So this is a guessing game. As I showed earlier, we are going to guess the word, and first we give the computer some of the words. For example, like as I have here, apple and ba banana, and the third one is called orange. So I have three words, and the computer will randomly select one word and we have to guess that word. So for that I'm going to import here random function, random module, and the second thing is I am going to say word, and computer will randomly choose one word from our words. And here I will have to make a function called play function, inside which I'm going to give the give word here. So play word. So play word. Okay. Now let's edit our function here. So for this, um, I will need to first give count the length of the word here. So count the length of the word. Okay. Now the another thing is called my word. So basically this my word, what I'm going to do is I'll say minus multiply by, so multiply by the length of the word. So length of the word. Okay. So this count and length of the word is different. So that is why I haven't used it. I haven't used the count here to understand as I move ahead. And I'm going to give chance is equals to 5 chances to my to the player. Okay. And the first thing I will do is print my word. So okay, now this is our game. Let's check this game. Okay, so here is the basic thing. Like okay, it has selected here 1 2 3 4 5. This is the word called apple. So we have apple, banana, and orange. So five word is called apple. And let's write our code. So I will say while count is greater than zero. While count is greater than zero, and so basically, and I will say guess. Okay, now, hey user, guess something. Input and guess the word. Guess the word. Okay, so the user will guess the word, and then what will I say is that okay, now if if he guess a word, or suppose if um guess, okay, so if guess is equals to, so it is an underscore, then we'll say print you must guess something. Okay, that's it. And if he really guess the word that is not an underscore, then okay, now here, so let me check it first. Okay, so here the guess is equals to, it's a double equals to sign, and the guess else, if he really guess something, then if again the guess in word, if the guess is in word, we will say okay, so we are going to find this in our, okay, so length data word. Okay, we are going to check, how many times it is, and we are going to put that word into our my word here. My word is minus 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 minus, so we have to turn this into our word. And so if loop, and here outside if word I is equals to guess, 5 is equals to guess, then list is equals to list, then list my word, and list list I is going to be, I is going to be guess, and new word here is going to be the join. Now okay, now this join function, what it does is that it turns the string into it turns the list into string, and this list functions does what is that it turns the word into this string into a list. So the opposite things are going happening here, and then I will say my word is equals to new word. Okay, so we are re-updating our my word with the new word here. So and count is equals to 1, and it is minus 1. So this means that, so actually, count minus or equals to 1 means count minus 1, but however, it can also be written in this format as 1, and here I'm going to say minus. That's it. And let's do another thing called um, if count is equals to 0, then say that, okay, now print congratulation, congratulation, you won the game, congratulation, you won the game. And else, I mean, if he doesn't, now else is here, like if he guess, if the guess is in if the guess is correct, it is in the word, then we are going to do the looping here. Otherwise, what will I say? I will say else. Now print incorrect guess, so the guess is incorrect, and I will say incorrect guess, and chance will decrease, so the chance will decrease. Okay, print, you have now chance chances. Okay, you have now chances, and this is a formatted string, so it is compulsory to put f here. And now if then if this happens, then if chance is equals to 0, if suppose the user you misuses all of his chances, then I will say print sorry, you lose the game, sorry, you lose the game. Okay, so he loses the game. And then if he loses the game, then I'm going to break this loop. So let's run our program. Here are some of the errors, like for example in my word is equals to, okay, so I missed to forget to put here is equals to, okay, now this is good. And still like one guess is here, like here it says me, let's run this program, it will automatically, so like what I is equals to guess, so expected to be this is to sign. Okay, that's it. Okay, now here it is expected to be to put this. Now let's run our code and do our thing here. Guess the word. So let's guess banana, B. Okay, so incorrect guess you have now. Okay, so I think it's O. Guess the word. I think it is O. A, B. So you have now four chances. O, R, A. So here are some mistakes here. We need to congratulations, you won the game. Okay, so when we guess the word correctly, it will put us, but however it is not showing us. So let me check what is the mistake here. So let's do this. So let's do this called print my word, and again let's run this program. So guess the word. Okay, I'm going to say orange. Okay, O is orange, RANGE. Okay, so congratulations, you won the game. If the user guessed the word that already present in our my word, then we have to show him, we have to tell him that, okay, you have already guessed. Now for this, I'm going to cut here to here, and if I cut this, and I'm going to write something here, just like if and guess in my word, I know, like guess in my word, then it has to print that the word has, you have already guessed, you have already guessed. Okay, okay, now that's it. Now, and now else, if he hasn't guessed, then I'm going to use this condition. Let's check our program once again and see if anything our program is ready or not. Okay, now let's say I'm going to say banana. So incorrect guess, so I think it's orange. ORANG and then E. Okay, now this is our word. Now let's run this program and try to create like BA. So incorrect guess, so ORANGE, you have already guessed it, OR. So okay, congratulations, you won the game. Okay, now if the user guessed two or more characters, then we have to tell him, okay, now you can only guess one word. So for this, I'm again going to give him a one condition here. Now for doing this, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to cut from here to here, and cutting this, and I'm going to put one condition here, that is if length of guess is let's say length of guess equals to 1. Okay, If the length of the guess is equals to 1, then this condition is going to be valid. Now, now if the length is more, then we have to mention him. We have to tell him the truth that, okay, so for this we have to tell him the truth. So where is the loop part? So so here is the loop part. This one is the loop part. So still we have to tell him that else print you cannot guess two character two or you cannot guess more than one character at a time. Okay, now let's run this program.